Miracle fruit daw. I thought it's pomelo, but it looks different. It's called miracle fruit. Looks like coconut, but it's not. It's not pomelo. It looks like a coconut also, but it's not. So this one. Okay. We have lakatan banana. And then our fish. Fish, and then of course the cucumber, and then another kind of fish na parang pinausukan. Ay, ano ba to?
Paksiw.
Paksiw. Yes. And then Valenciana. And then chicken and lumpia. Another fish dish. And ito, pinagtatalunan po namin kanina. Yung soup namin merong malunggay, patola, and upo. Ay, I'm sorry, papaya. Papaya. Okay, kain na po. Oh, okay, good. So we have relleno, limasan. So malunggay with patola?
Patola.
Galing mo.
Yung inaupo na. Papaya.
Ay, ano?
With papaya.
Papaya? Okay, green papaya. And ano po yung bilog? Hindi ba ho patola yan? Hindi ho, hindi. This one.
Patola.
Patola. Okay, good. So ito po yung fish. Anong klaseng fish with malunggay?
With malunggay.
And then of course, cucumber.
Ito. Ba't naman siya nangabis siya maniwala kayo?
Oh, parehas po kami, patola. Kakampi po kami.
Ito. Hindi mo siya pwede. Nang, Valenciana.
Okay.
Naiwan pa yun na sa ano.
Okay, so meron tayong chicken and lumpia. Okay. Bon appetit! Yung banana. Marami pong klase ng banana. This one is lakatan. Yay! Lakatan. Rellenong crabs, yeah. And then, yung anong tawag doon? Chicken eh. Chicken, right? Gordon. Okay. This is outside, like the lobby front desk of the Noveres Travelers Inn. It's in Noveres Travelers Inn. Valenciana. Sarap. Thank you po. Estancia Church. Okay, and then yan yung munisipyo. This is the Holy Rosary Parish Church. We're gonna go to Anlox now. We're eating Anlox Kamay style. Okay, steamed rice, and this is liempo, barbecue liempo. So we're eating kamay. One queso real, which is this one, and then one ube coco. Okay, combined ube coco, and then from Selecta. 20 pesos each. So, we'll try it. Like popsicle. Look at the different kinds of daing. We call it daing. So, iba-ibang fish yan. Oh, may small, medium, large, small again. Oh, iba-iba. Iba-iba. Merong maputi siya, merong dark. Ito, dark. Oh, bangus po ba yan? Oh, kaya pala, bangus yan eh. Bangus yung dark. The milkfish. Yan, bangus. So, ito, daing. Daing. Meron pa dito, oh. Ito, danggit. Danggit po ito. Okay, danggit. This one is danggit.